Dear developer, sit down. Alex is a young developer. Alex was studying at his terminal, coffee in hand, heart pounding, when suddenly app crashed, waiting for file changes before starting, stared back at him like a ghost in a machine. It was 2 o'clock in the morning. He'd been up for hours, chasing that sweet sensation of a waking up. His project was almost ready to be presented to his team, but without warning, nodemon threw this error at him. He'd never seen it before. His application was at a standstill, as if dead in the water. His brain was fried, but he knew one thing: this error was just a sign. Nodemon wasn't his enemy, it was his guide. Here's how Alex managed to turn that dreaded message into a real roadmap, and how you can too. Go to the search bar and find Task Manager. Once you find Task Manager, search for Services in the sidebar. Click on Services and search for MongoDB. First, first search for MongoDB. Once you find MongoDB, if it is stopped, right click on it and then click Start. It will start it and running, and you can also find for Node.js if there is. If there is not, you can go back to your app and tap in the command npm run dev, so the error is fixed. All I do is telling this story and share my knowledge to make your life easier. Dear developer, see you next.